She's taking photos of us.
Sing a song for her today. Good song for her birthday.
Happy birthday to. I'm sorry I left you here behind.
Happy tummy.
Happy time. We rented a metro.
We rented a whole metro. Roma, miss, are you listening?
Hi Materigla, welcome back to D Diaries. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಕಲ್ನ ಅದಾದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪಟ್ಟ ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಉಂಡು ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೇ ವಿಶೇಷ 6 o'clock ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಉಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ದು ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಂತೇರು ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಇನಿ ಅವೇ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತುಂಡು ಅಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ತಿಂಗ್ಲಾದ ಪಟ್ಟ 6 o'clock ಮುಟ್ಟ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ತೊಡಾಪುಂಡು ಜಿಡ ಬದಲ ಪೋಲಿಲ್ಲಗ ಕೂಡ ಏರ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಬದ್ದದು ಕೂಡ ಪೋಪಿನ ಅವಳ पण उदासी ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅದು ಆಫೀಸ್ದೇ ಉಪ್ಪುಗ ಬಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನೋಡು
She's taking photos of us.
ಇನಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ಲರಿಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಉಂಡು This is for my blog.
For what?
Blog. YouTuber. I mean.
You're a blogger?
Yes.
Okay.
Just follow her.
How about the cake?
I'm feeling sorry.
You did not see it?
No. When?
You did not see early in
I
the
told
morning.
you, just call me when delivery is coming, right?
What delivery? I thought store delivery.
Time to go home. Hello, my bye. I said my bye 5 times till now.
Birthday girl.
Shukran. Shukran.
Our birthday girl.
You too.
That's something you cannot eat chocolate.
Eat na.
No, magaling po niya. Tapos meron akong center pin.
So who organized this without our knowledge? Why you didn't tell me?
Nobody informed you?
No.
You know what? They told me Mr. Gabi is in the pantry. Go there.
Yeah?
Jen!
Okay, you. Then? What is this? Tell me. Yeah, you sing a song for her today. Good song for her birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Sex bomb Jen.
Wow.
Sex bomb Jen. You know that sex bomb Jen? That's Lucas about sex bomb.
Sex bomb. Happy birthday.
Eh di syempre pangalan mo. Pag may birthday, may pangalan.
Sing a song. I'm recording.
Sex bomb Roma. Yun yung mga sinasabi ng mga bakla, di ba? Pagka nakanta sila.
Happy birthday. My voice is like.
Happy birthday, dear Jen. Why you feel you're sad? Blacker.
Now this celebration time.
Now you're
Then we
drunk.
will have a lot of cake. How old are you?
Thank you so much.
How old are you?
3 years.
3. Ah, 3. 3. 1 3 or 3.
Mabatiin mo muna tong birthday.
So ಇಂಕಲ್ ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ 6 o'clock ಗುಂಡು ಐಕಾದು ಕಾತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ದು ಐಕುಲ್ಲರಿ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್ ಐಕೊಂಜಿ ಅನಿ ಹೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮಂದೆ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಹೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್
Good.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್
Yes.
First time I tried something different which came out something good. I don't know, you're saying good.
No, it's really nice. It suits you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should do that often.
Then next time. Every time. This is your envelope?
Yeah. That's for the holiday.
What?
Holiday.
Third party poyere wait ಮಂತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ 4:35 o'clock ಅವನ್ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಆತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಉಲಾಂಡಲ್ಲ ಪೋದು ಬರ್ಕ ಬಂದು ಆತು ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಉಂಡತ್ತ 3 o'clock ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಪಿನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ದುಲ್ಲ ಏರ್ ಕುಲ್ವೇರು ಇಜ್ಜಿಡ್ಲ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ದುಲ್ಲ ಕುಲ್ಲು ನಾಯ್ಕ ಅದು ಪೋದು ಬರ್ಕ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ಎನ್ನ ಹೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಂಚ ಆತಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ ನೋಡು ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಚ ಬಾಡ್ದಿನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಐರಿಷ್ ವಿಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಪೋಡು ಬಂದು ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಕಾದ್ದು ಸಾಕಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲು ಬೈಜೇರು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಪೋಪಿನ ಬಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಂದ ಇತ್ತೆ
Dito na, tawid ka. Halika na.
Hoy, Legacy School. Legacy School. Is this your school? I told this is the Legacy School.
No, Legacy.
Legacy. This school belongs to Clarice. She is the owner of this school.
First of all, before you upload this, just say this is just for fun. Please don't bash.
Yeah, tell this one.
This is just for fun. Please don't bash. This is not my school, okay? Whoever owns it.
So yeah,
Is that
she's asleep.
the opposite? That
No.
I think so.
That one?
Yeah.
Who's with the bag?
Yeah,
You think?
I think so.
Yeah, by the look we can...
We can see, na?
No, she is not.
Is she?
No, she is not Roma. You're waving your hand to somebody else.
You sure?
Yeah, what happened to you? See, it's not Roma.
Oh my gosh. What a shame.
Going there, no? Check.
Actually, almost. If I didn't call her, she'll go by the metro and then pass by me. Where is she going to?
That side?
No, she's that one.
You know, Clarice is waving her hand to somebody else thinking that it's you. Okay?
Yeah.
Till she comes here. Okay, that lady was staring at us and went.
Maybe she's thinking, what is this lady doing?
Yeah, and also I was filming that lady. Oh, so I thought it's Roma. Okay, I'm checking in the screen.
Let's go on the opposite side.
Yeah, no sun. Let's walk and find out the place, okay? Clarice, do you know the location where we are going?
I think so.
Think so? Say the truth. You don't know. You know? You know where we are going?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I know.
ಐರಿಷ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಶೋಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಜೂಲೈ ಪೊದ್ದು ಓಡು ಜುಮೈರಾ ಕ್ರೀಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಅದು then what else? Give him one piece. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಶೋಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಐರಿಷ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಐರಿಷ್ ವಿಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬತ್ತ ತೂತ ಶೋಕ್ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ದ ಉಲೈ ಮತ್ತ ಪೋತುಜಿ ಒಂತೆ ಮುಲ್ಪನೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಪೂರ ದಿತ್ತ ಅಂಚನೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಪಿದಡೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತೆ ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಪುಂಡಿಗೆ 6 o'clock ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೆ ಪೋನಾಗನೆ 6 o'clock ಆವು ನೊಮಾನ್ ಶೋಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಐರಿಷ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಟ್ ಉಲೈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋತುಜ ಪೇ ಅಪಂಡ್ ಅವು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದು ಎಮಿರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಮಿರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮಿರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂದು ಪನೋಲಿ ಇಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಲಿ ಏರೆಗ್ಲ ಬರ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿತ್ತುಂಡ ಬರೋಲಿ ಏರೆಗ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಅದು ಪೀಸ್ ಅದುಂಡು ತುಯರಂಚಿನ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಂಡು ಶೋಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೋಯರೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಬರೋದು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಶೋಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಇರಪ ಒಂದುಲ್ಲ ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ದಡೆಗ್ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಶೋಕ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಉಂಡು ತುಲೆ
Because there's a yellow. No, I think the yellow is a grass.
ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಗರು ದಲ್ಪನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ
siya, hindi na siya tutuloy. Tapos nauna pa sa atin. Kapal ng face na ito.
Restaurant.
Sabi nga mauuna na.
Record this, okay?
Father from the boss.
She's vlogging.
She will tell from the total bill and contributing something. No, it's a treat.
She's a vlogger. She's a vlogger, yeah.
Yeah.
Sa real mo, oh, this is my party for ECT.
Yeah, this is our birthday party, okay? Who's that calling me?
What are you doing?
Vlog.
My God.
You will be in the plan.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
It's free.
Free. So, Ramadan. Namawala yung lifestyle. Huh? What? Tell something.
I'm saying your vlog should be uploaded immediately. Yes, you should upload.
Okay, uploaded immediately. ಎಂತ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ Clarice, say hi. Vaishak, Abdullah.
Hi.
Then it's not a question. Then it's not a question.
Who?
There. My son.
I don't think. Girls, say hi. Something. Guys, how is the food?
You should ask how do you rate the food?
How do you rate the food?
10 over 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ask them also.
How do you rate the food?
10
10 out of 10 or 100 out of 10?
out of 10. Highest 10. 10.
So Mata iftar party dulere enjoy mantandu. So almost tindatundu but nama tinpinadala ittu full Arabian food matra. ಮಾತ ಮುಗಿಂಡು ಇತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲ iftar pura and we're going home now. We will go in the same way how we came. One more.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Clarice!
It's your birthday is so memorable.
Yeah. I got so blushy.
Oh my god. Intro is fine. We don't want to experiment so much. It's late. We went to Irish village. How nice it was, you know. You missed it.
Before I remember, last year I went.
We took a reels and we like it was like
Put my which one? My status WhatsApp company.
already done.
Yes. You edited the picture? No, normally. Like that.
Send a picture, okay? If not send iftar, fine. That Irish village, what we taken.
Sure, madam.
Thank you, madam. How do you feel?
So full.
So full. Huh? See?
Don't show this.
You?
Sleepy.
Sleepy. Madhya, you?
Bummer.
Khalas, Madhya. You? Tired. Ire? Dala tinti lekkane ijji.
Yeah, I'm happy. Happy tummy.
Happy tummy. This is more happy. ಮುಗಿಂಡ ಇಂಕಲ್ ನ iftar party illag
We
pondulla.
ate too much. We can talk. We can walk. We just want to sleep
Okay.
and take off tomorrow.
Your tummy don't look like you ate something.
No, she lost. Don't put nazar, okay?
Nazar?
Yeah, don't remove mine now.
See, I'll remove the nazar.
It's nothing.
Okay, okay. Nobody should not put the nazar.
Put smile in my tummy.
As I told you, that time 5-seater.
We rented a metro.
We rented a whole metro. Roma, miss, are you listening? Not 7-seater, not 5-seater. Whole metro. See, all of us are sitting comfortably.
ಮಾತ ಇನ್ನಿತ್ತ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಂದರು ಬಂದೇನೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆತುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ತಿಕ್ಕು ಎಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್.